welcome back to another video, and I'm back with another video, and we got mini brands. We got one capsule today, and we might do another one tomorrow. My mini friends, and we're gonna go ahead and get this started. Let's move that out the way. I gotta find a strip. Hold on. Wait. Oh, there it is. Perfect strip. Let's see. Dang it. I gotta get the perfect strip. No. Let's hope we get the perfect strip on the next one. Make sure I don't got that anyway. Okay, one layer. The second layer. There it is. Yay! I got that perfect strip. Second layer up. Let's pop it open. Wait, do we got something? Do we have breadsticks? We got a new magnet. A new magnet. Let's put that in there. And we got some packages. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this one. It's a duplicate, of course. Duplicate, y'all. Duplicate. Fish. The most common thing ever. I got 3 more. Tater tots. This is new because I got shredded, I think, hash browns. This is new. Okay, one more after this. Oh, it's Jell-O. I got all 3 of the Jell-O already. That's a duplicate. The last one, please don't be a duplicate. I have Cool Up already. Duplicate again. This is the only good thing. That was it. I love y'all. See y'all next YouTube video. And I'll see y'all later. Wait 1 second. I gotta go get one thing. I'm back. And now I have to check off one thing that I got today.
What is it?
What is that? Where is it? Where's my taters?
Good boy.
Here go my tater tots.
Thank you.
Oh, bless you. Bless you. I checked off my taters. You can see the taters. Well, that's really it today. I love y'all. See y'all in the next Mini Brands video. Hope y'all have a great and wonderful day. Bye.